is there any chance of your car is because the front comes up fast as fuck? Is there any chance that when it comes down, that's when it unloaded the tires,
or when it topped out,
still up, and that's when it did it?
I mean, looking at everything, it's still up, and then there goes the drive shaft. So I think how loose is the front end? 3 turns out, loose. It's real loose, like
quick as fuck.
Like if you go and lift up, it's real loose.
I think 4 is not good.
If you're wanting to extend, then you extend, and then it tries to keep it there. Right. But I don't know that that's the right move. Maybe none of us know what the right move is. It seems like my car's working pretty well.
I feel like his car's driving really well.
Slow it down a little bit early. I don't know, man. Yeah. That's pretty fucking great.
How did it feel in the car? Slow as a motherfucker.
It felt really slow to the 330, and then all of a sudden it's like.
Mine did that too.
Yeah.
But what was your mile an hour?
I haven't even looked at it. I don't know. But that is fucking great.
Let
me tell you.
Yeah, no, you did.
I mean, fuck me, man. I mean.
Yeah, sounds like you changed the stator and make it tune up.
She's got to deal with that.
Yeah.
Oh, I get it. I apologize 100 times.
Well, you know, people that got racing pretty slow.
Yeah, they're all slow.
There's a lot of fast people in that.
Those 12, JJ.
This happened at the last. This did happen at the last.
Right, we are here in Coachella, California. Ryan's making Waffle House cheesy eggs.
Yeah, I mean, Ryan's trying to make that Waffle House cheesy egg.
I'm learning something today. This is the scrambled cheesy eggs, and
Yeah. Oh, I saw a piece of the shell. I'm worried about shells and with eggs. I don't want them in there. How many eggs you want?
me?
Yep.
3. Butter, lots of butter. Then the cheese, and now we're scrambling them
On the pan.
in the pan.
This is how they do it, and I don't know exactly if we're using the right utensil to do it with. But if you watch them at Waffle House,
That's how they do
it's
it.
100% how they do it. This actually probably is the right utensil, but it's plastic.
Yeah, it is plastic on the Teflon.
Just in case the provolone that we put in there is not enough, we could put some shredded cheese in here.
Yeah. Never too much cheese or too much butter.
I mean, depends on what your goal is.
For tasty goodness.
Yep. Anybody else awake? What John ended up doing?
I took him home
When'd you take him home?
early, 9. We got up. He was peeked his head over the couch. I need to go. Like, good, go.
Yeah. See you later, Uber, bitch. I wonder why you don't Uber.
And
I tried to Uber him last night home from the
man, those do look good.
from
man.
the casino.
Yeah.
I said I'd pay for it.
Yeah, everybody's out here. How's Doc? The last time I seen him, he was in that real bad accident.
He's good now.
Ready?
Oh, yeah.
It's Fireball red, same exact color as Fireball.
Yeah. Wow. And I know I just got done watching Endgame 2. Your dream car?
Yeah.
Yeah. These are all my dream cars. The Camaro, the Chevelle that you got are all my dream cars.
Thanks, man.
One of these days. That's my other son.
Oh,
Oh, what's up, buddy?
Look what it is, man.
Hi. How are you? Doing okay?
Yeah.
What, you sleeping?
Look like it was.
Yeah.
They're on vacation right now because Thanksgiving.
That's cool. Yeah.
How come that right face? That's when I
Second
clicked.
person ever said that. My mother and you.
You did that Zoolander thing.
My mother and you.
Right.
Good practice. Awesome. Perfect.
Okay.
Can I take a picture and just a regular picture?
Absolutely.
Hit the legs.
Yeah.
You didn't know about this?
We told Booster.
Okay, then. You're good then.
We're good.
Hey, maybe we should find another class.
What you say?
That's what I was thinking. Like, who made good passes?
Martinova looked good.
Yeah, there you go.
That's all he did.
Yeah, he made pretty good passes.
Ryan got tired of him beating up on him, so he helped him.
Yeah, he did good. He did good. Now that's one good thing about his combo and my combo being the same. I just reach over there and plug in, take that data.
Did both cars get wired the same way?
They're almost identical.
You guys are good in drill, by the way.
Good, cool. I'm gonna go back to work.
When can we make a pass, sir?
Right now.
How long will you car?
Ready to go?
I'm cooking breakfast in the morning.
Man, for real?
You can come over if you want.
It's too far, man. Hey, it was like 5 miles.
5 miles.
We were leaving to go get lunch, and we turned the main road. Ryan goes, "Hey, there's Chuck on a scooter."
It was Chuck. Where was he going? I was in his truck and I was like, that is Chuck.
Bro, he hauls ass back. He's almost to the truck. He starts looking for the brakes. He ain't got no brakes, dude. He zooms right past him.
From the house?
Yeah.
No, he's rode it from Applebee's.
He rode it from Applebee's to the house.
He went to Applebee's.
Him and his old lady and her older family.
Yeah. But he blew by us because couldn't find the brakes on the scooter. He goes, the brakes are shot. I said, what about that fucking brake on the handlebars? He goes, what brake?
He said they're on the car?
They're
on the front?
Yeah. Do you even know? Do you even know where your struts are? Okay. It should be all the way from
Tops are 3 from tight. 2 from tight.
Hey, well,
Extension?
Give me the fucking tool for that.
We know about the brake. He said this is there wherever we run the MPK.
Fucking ain't gonna reach it, is it?
It's right here.
Does it reach them? This is
great.
There you go.
Hey, I'd loosen them all the way up.
2 from tight. You sure about this?
Positive, tight, check.
1, 2. If I'm on it, there's 3. There's no way I'm on it.
That? Yeah.
There's 100% 2 from tight.
1, 2. Okay, you're right. All right. 1, 2. What are these? 3.
Santos.
Okay.
That was 1.5.
I know. Hang on. I figured it out.
Yeah, I had you. I was counting 2.
Half. 1.
Half. 2.
2. Half. 3. Half. 4.
Go all the way tight. For this shit, y'all are squatting your cars?
I tried to separate the first day.
And I'm not saying that won't work, but
I'm not
what I
saying it won't
felt
work
like
either.
in the past is, and I've seen some cars out here separating, but in the past, if you don't have any surface, the car don't want to separate.
I like
Gotta
separating,
have,
and I had to switch ours to squatting.
you have to have a little bit of bite for the suspension to work well. And if you got no bite, like we did the first day that we were here,
I don't know what kind of car it was. It's a street car. He runs. He was like, bro, take it out there. He goes, treat it like it's your own. I said, best back. I said, nah, you don't want that.
you don't want those problems.
Have you seen my videos?
I fuck up a lot of shit.
I didn't have time to fucking come here.
I'm gonna tell you, it looks good on small tire.
It does.
He
does.
was like, okay, I want it to look like it's a small tire car. Done. But I do not want it to act like one.
This will never hey, it'll never go back to NBK, so change all the fucking things.
It definitely looks better on a small tire.
Well, I remember
Whichever
we were 14.
Done got fucking cold.
Oh, dude, I'm fucking freezing. just get ice cold. If it goes up on the two-step and hits the chip, it'll make a mess.
Maybe it was that fucking cold.
Dude, it was cold. It wouldn't even rev up. It wouldn't even rev up. It was shooting fire out the, I mean, it was so cold.
It made boost.
Fucking go do it again.
If it makes fucking boost and it fucking goes up to the two-step that fucking fast, wreck, it'll fucking RPM out here. Something is not letting
It
it.
literally just went flat all the way across.
Okay, alright.
I don't. I mean, it looks like it's something's fucked up, but you can't see the other one back up. Right. So put that other tune up somewhere, so you know where it is, and then we'll change it.
One first gear ratio in
The
it.
motor's like ice, so I ain't scared of that. And the trainer's got enough heat to where it needs to be a little looser. I don't get
Yeah, just fill up
It
a
needs to
simple
be.
fuel.
Yeah, exactly. So,
Yes.
What
Put the
training
motor
fluid
up.
do you run?
It don't matter.
It's 30.
It's 30 weight?
30 weight.
That's what I was wondering. Well, we can loosen it up by putting 20 or 10 in.
yeah, we have it.
I run 20. No, you know what? I think I run 30. Because Petty told me.
Dumbass talk. I know, I did it on purpose.
Really?
Just to fuck with Richard. Just fuck with Richard on a daily basis. That's what I do.
And then what are we gonna do?
Who do you think you are, Andrew? Wade?
Hey, you know, those are big shoes to fill, but someone's got to try it.
You got Chuck getting you jack stands?
Yes.
That's all we need?
That's all.
That's all I know.
Because that bar to cut that is right in the way. I would not lay on the ground. Don't lay on the ground. Yeah, okay.
You're gonna get dirty.
Yeah.
I just want to know what else we need.
That's all we needed.
That's it.
Down the road.
Okay, sorry, Rick. Tell me what you're gonna tell me.
I don't really understand it or
Yeah.
whatever, or why or whatever, but like they say, like these shit asphalt roads and stuff,
Yeah.
because they're like pretty much spinning all the way down the road,
Yeah.
and like it does something like to the tire or whatever.
Yeah.
So like pretty much after like one race, like that tire's done.
Right.
So like if you notice, like Callie Nate and Rank and all like it seemed like the fast guys or whatever out there.
Well,
When they showed up, they had brand new tires on. Like they had new tires on fucking when they got there. They had new tires on the second test day, and then they had new tires on last night. But so you can see combustion on the cylinder head over here. So it's like going past the gasket or
There's
something. Something.
so that's probably the noise I was hearing.
Yes. So we're gonna look at the gasket, see what it looks like, and all that jazz.
I have an extra one.
Maybe some silicone, who knows. Did he get that wrench?
Yeah, it's right there.
Oh, did you throw it at me again? Just throw it.
You brake clean the wrenches over there.
Oh, okay. As long as Rick got his revenge, I was like,
Hump there?
Yeah.
Rick, above the where the AC and stereo is, there's another
Sorry.
Fucking wild.
Coachella?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
You didn't like it?
bet it is. Wow.
Back when I was young, in my 20s, it was fun, but God, never
Yes.
again.
Hey, don't they do
There's a
space
time
coach
and
on
place
this
for that
too?
stuff, and it's your 20s.
Yep.
Left it there. And maybe in your 30s.
Yeah.
Yeah, it get kind of bougie out there too, though.
Yeah,
Really?
bougie.
Yeah, it got to the point where I guess back in the day it used to be kind of, more underground, kind of
Yeah.
cool and stuff, and then it got kind of bougie.
Yeah, they turned it into an event to make money.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. They do stagecoach, don't they? They do that out here too.
Did that once, yeah.
Yeah.
Stagecoach is cool.
Yeah, I heard they do that out here too.
Big country thing.
It's okay. They don't want it to feel like it's fine. Just,
Is this red vines?
Yes.
Oh my God, whose are these? Man, hey, I'm a fan of red vines.
Y'all have